I didn't always have these powers. I used to be a normal guy, living from day to day, just like everybody else, never knowing when the next mistake would catch me. Then one day, I went online and discovered something that changed my life forever. Mudra band, they called it, and it already actually worked. I got it, unboxed it, and swapped out my regular Apple Watch band for the Mudra band. Suddenly, nothing was the same. I gained powers beyond my wildest dreams. All of reality was at my fingertips. And all I had to do was make little gestures. Yeah, life is sweet. This is Mudra band, the world's first wrist-worn brain-to-device interface. And yes, it already actually works. The Mudra band connects to your Apple Watch. Using neural technology, it translates your finger movements into everyday control functions on your watch. By capturing subtle finger movements, the Mudra band lets you touchlessly interact with your watch using just one hand. No needs to pause, look at the display, or engage your other hand. Setting it up is as simple as it gets. Connect your Mudra band and watch through Bluetooth and start enjoying limitless freedom. We need your help to make the Mudra band widely available so that everyone could experience what it's like to have superpowers. We hope you'll join us. Thank you.